Hello.
Hello, my friend.
I have heard and told you stories about the way I lit the line of Andrew. What simple today when I take you and sing your song, then maybe you would say, come lay with me, love me, and I would surely stay.
Without me, I'm growing older, and the song that I have sung and seen that is dance like the sound of our wind, we're going low. I guess always be a song that I fall through. With memory.
Many times I've been a trouble, I look for something new, and I often when I treat good, I wonder without you. But this day I took my eye and see you standing here, just blinding this cast for him. It's all that you really not to you.
Now I feel I'm growing older, and the song that I have sung is to leave the distance. I like the sound of our wind, we're going round. I guess always be a song that I fall through.
Yet I can hear the sound of a wind it's going round. I guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune. I guess it's always be a soldier of fortune.
Good.
Thank you.
Happy today.